Hi everyone, Duda from HeyHelp here with another video update of what we're working on. So first of all, we're super excited to hopefully in the coming few days, next week latest, to be sharing the first beta version of HeyHelp with first the lifetime deal subscribers, and then in the coming few weeks with the broader community of early adopters. That's all definitely before our public launch in summer. So we are currently wrapping up the onboarding experience, and I would like to bring up discussion today and hopefully get your feedback, which is this feature that we're testing to give the flexibility for the user to select which AI provider they want to back HeyHelp. So what I mean with that is when you're setting up your account, you can select if you want to use ChatGPT by OpenAI or if you want Gemini from Google or etc. etc. And the reason why I'm thinking about that is that there's obviously there are some pros and cons. Some companies have some preferences and even some constraints sometimes in terms of compliance, in terms of data security, or whatever reason that is, that they would prefer to adopt a certain provider. Um, and of course, there's cost benefits as well, because depending on the provider that you choose, that would allow us to offer HeyHelp at a much more affordable way to our users. That's the part that we like. Um, at the same time, we are aware that that would add some extra steps on the onboarding. So although it is very quick, it just takes like 4 or 5 clicks for you to click on a link to land on a page, click on issue an API key, click to copy, and then paste it here, and then save as API key. So literally 5 clicks, but it's still for users who are not familiar with the whole like API key thing, and it's just still an extra step compared to that. And then also we know that each model will behave like in different ways, which can cause some complexity, like support wise for us. So there is some pros and cons that we are weighing at the moment. But I would love to hear from you. What do you think about having the flexibility of choosing the provider? So we are probably not going to get to this level of detail of the model. So the user just comes here and selects between these four API providers, add the API key, and then you can have one as default, like I have my Gemini 2.0 here. Or they can add other ones and then even jump between providers as they go, depending on at that exact time. So let me know what you think. We're wrapping this up, and then hopefully next week we're sharing the AI tagging and the AI archiving with the whole onboarding flow with our first batch of users. Remember, we're offering this lifetime deal, $99 for lifetime access. For us, it's really important around just building a community of really early adopters that want to build this product with us, and we've been really grateful with the engagement we've been having so far. So if you got to here, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.